Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add country code to multiple numbers very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly select all number. So after this click the right side of mouse and then click on format cell. So after this click on custom. So here you can see journal. So remove journal. So if you want to add the country code, so write here country code. So firstly write here plus and then write country code. So after this you can see my contact number contain 10 digit, so that's why press space and write here 10. So after writing the 10, then click on OK. So you can see all number is changed with country code. So guys, in this way you can add country code to multiple number very easily. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.